A keyword is a word or phrase that users type into search engines when looking for information, products, or services. Keywords are the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you create. They help search engines understand what your content is about, making it easier for the right audience to find you. Keywords are essential for content discovery because they determine whether your website appears in search results when someone looks for topics related to your business. Keywords fall into 4 main categories based on user search intent. Informational keywords are used when people want to learn or research something, like how to learn SEO. Navigational keywords are used when someone is looking for a specific brand or website, like Facebook login. Commercial keywords are used when people are researching before making a purchase decision, such as best laptops for coding. Finally, transactional keywords indicate that someone is ready to buy right now, like buy iPhone 15 Pro. Understanding these types helps you create content that matches what people are actually looking for. Keywords vary in length and competition. Short-tail keywords are 1 to 3 words long, like shoes. They have very high search volume, meaning many people search for them each month. However, they also have very high competition, making them difficult to rank for. Long-tail keywords are 3 or more words long, like best running shoes for flat feet. They have lower search volume and lower competition, but they typically have higher conversion rates because they show more specific intent. As a beginner, focusing on long-tail keywords gives you better chances of ranking and attracting qualified visitors. When researching keywords, 3 main metrics matter. Search volume shows how many times people search for a keyword each month. Higher search volume means more potential traffic. Keyword difficulty indicates how hard it is to rank for a keyword based on competition. Lower difficulty means you have a better chance of achieving top positions. Cost per click, or CPC, shows the average price advertisers pay for each click in paid ads. Higher CPC usually indicates more commercial intent and potential business value. These metrics help you choose keywords that balance opportunity with achievability. Several tools can help you discover and analyze keywords. SEMrush is excellent for advanced SEO research and provides highly accurate data. Google Keyword Planner is perfect if you run Google Ads campaigns and offers a free option. Ahrefs is best for analyzing keyword difficulty and search volume data. Mangle's KW Finder is beginner-friendly with an easy-to-use interface. Each tool has different strengths, so choose one based on your needs and budget. Keyword research follows 5 main steps. First, brainstorm keywords based on your niche and business. Think about what your customers might search for. Second, expand your keyword list using research tools to find related keywords and variations. Third, analyze the metrics for each keyword, including search volume, difficulty, and CPC. Fourth, check the search intent to make sure the keyword matches your content goals. Fifth, prioritize your keywords by opportunity and create a strategy. This systematic approach ensures you focus on the most valuable keywords for your business. Follow these best practices to maximize your keyword research success. First, always match user search intent. Don't just target keywords with high volume if they don't match what people actually want to find. Second, balance search volume and keyword difficulty. Look for keywords with good traffic potential that you can realistically rank for. Third, update your keyword strategy regularly. Monitor how your keywords perform and refresh your strategy based on real data. Fourth, integrate keywords naturally into your content. Don't force keywords unnaturally, as this hurts readability and user experience. Remember, keywords should serve your audience first. Keywords function differently in SEO and paid advertising. SEO keywords are used to achieve organic search rankings. You don't pay per click, but results take months or years to achieve. The advantage is long-term sustainable traffic that doesn't cost you per click. PPC keywords are used for paid ads on search engines. You pay for each click immediately, but you get instant visibility in search results. The advantage is immediate results and complete control over your campaigns. Most successful digital marketers use both approaches together for maximum reach. Analyzing competitor keywords reveals valuable opportunities for your business. First, Identify which keywords your competitors rank for and their traffic sources. This shows you what's working in your industry. Second, conduct a gap analysis to find keywords your competitors target that you don't. These are opportunities to capture traffic they're already getting. Third, discover low competition keywords in your niche that neither you nor your competitors have targeted yet. These are quick wins where you can achieve top rankings quickly. Finally, find easy keywords where you can achieve high rankings and build momentum. Competitor research accelerates your keyword strategy by learning from others' success. Here are 4 key takeaways from this keyword guide. First, keywords are the foundation of SEO and content discovery. Matching user search intent is absolutely crucial for success. Second, balance short-tail and long-tail keywords. This combination delivers sustained traffic growth and higher conversion rates. Third, use proper research tools to analyze keyword metrics like volume, difficulty, and cost per click. This data-driven approach ensures smart decisions. Fourth, continuously monitor, test, and refine your keyword strategy based on performance data. Keyword research isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing process that improves your results over time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.